$1,855 plus and 24 hours in CPA marketing tutorial. This sounds ridiculous, but stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to share with you that how you can make money basically with CPA marketing, which is the best paid topic for CPA offers. The method that I'm going to share with you is not free. To be honest, you just need to have some budget and you just need to invest a little bit of your money. If you want to have earn money online in a quick way, then this is the right video for you. And if you want to have the free method and free strategy, then check out our channel, our page for more money, making money online free method and free strategies you will have available there. So in this method, I'm going to share with you the CPA marketing paid method actually that you can simply use. Whether you are using the offer vault, whether you are using the CPA grip, whether you are using the CPA lead, whether you are using the max bounty, it depends on you. But the method and the reality is that how you can choose the product and how you can promote to the right audience at the right time and to generate a decent amount of money from that right here. So let's not further waste the time and jump straight into method and strategy that how exactly it is working. The first and important thing is that you just need to sign up for a free offer vault account or CPA grip account right here. Once you sign up, then you just need to have the category right here. You just need to click on that and you just need to choose the email or email submit option. Once you just choose that, then those offers will be available for you that only require the email submission. Means if you refer someone into your own link, they need to sign up that and add their email. Whenever they sign up and add their email, we will earn the money from that. So that is the right way and the right strategy that we can simply use in this method right here. So once we choose the product, for example, I'm choosing this product right here, for example, 5%, but this is the percentage amount of money that they need to pay you. But this amount of money like $46, $3, $35, $7. So these are the amount of money when people just sign up through your link, so you can earn this amount of money right here even if they do not purchase the product or the offer. So you still need to have this amount of money right here. So once we choose the product, the next step will be that we can simply copy the link and then just shorten with bitly or tune URL. And the next step for us will be that we can simply move to the pre-traffic source right here. So the sorry, not the free traffic sources. I need to show you two different paid traffic sources in this video right here. The first traffic that I'm talking about is the zero park, zeropark.com. Okay, so this is the main URL of the website, zeropark.com. Basically, it is a traffic that converts the reality and zero park website. What does it mean? That this website is stand for promoting offers from different platforms right here. So if you think many times we are using the mobile smartphone or something like that, or watching or reading, for example, an article on the desktop, for example, laptop, or we are using our smartphone reading an article. So they have some notification, some type of notification like pop-up ads, for example, slideshow apps or something like that, or push notification ads. So these are the website that they are using the same ads on your articles, on others people article, on many popular website. So this is the right opportunity for us that we can simply sign up with this website, and this website is basically showing you or telling you or giving you the option for three different uh, ads right here. One is push notification, one is domain redirect, one is pop-up. Any type of ads that you want, you can simply choose with this website and you're good to go with that. And here you can simply scroll down. At the greatest part is right here that they have 1.1 billion monthly clicks every single month on their ads right here. So basically, if you sign up, let me make you clear. Just simply sign up with this website for free. Once you sign up, then you need to create a campaign. You must have a budget, something like $50 or $100 and your wallet. Once you have that, then you just need to create a campaign, and the campaigns are really cheap right here on this website. Okay, so you need to create the campaign and you then need to submit and add your link into your campaign. So whenever people just have this push notification to their website, or their article or their on their video, or for example on their device, whenever they click and sign up, so we will earn the amount of money from that. So this is not the only website. I will also show you another greatest website, which is the 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤.com. 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤 is another greatest website, and it is an ad platform to monetize, for example, different offers right here. The greatest part is right here on this website, that you can simply contact, for example, the manager, and you can then tell them that what types of ads I need to use on your platform. So they can give you the option, for example, that these types of ads you need to use, for example, on our website right here, for example. So that is the coolest part right here. And if you want to have, for example, what type of ads are available on this website, you can basically see here that there are different offers right here. They give you the option to choose right here. There are 100 and unlimited offers right here. Sorry, ads types right here. For example, email, clicks, push notification, mobile for page, full page, for example, desktop full page, for example. And you will have, for example, in stream video, out stream video, banners, video slider, for example, pop unders, for example, any video banner. So these are the different ads that it is available on this website, and easy clicks is one of the coolest method or website that I recommend for you, that you can simply use, and then at the backside you can earn money from that. So but if you're using the free method, then you need to check out our page or our channel for just free methods, and you will find out a lot of free methods over there that you can simply use and start making money from that. And if you want to use this one, you are good to go with that. I fully recommend this method, and you can make money from that. But if you want to have a full training from A to Z, a comprehensive training for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home in a little bit quick way, then check out the first link in the description, and you will learn from A to Z that how you can make money the exact way, the right way, and a quicker way. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you want, please just hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.